Okay, guys, I'm very excited. My niece and nephew is coming. Oh, the sinus hit me bad this last couple of days, but I'm doing good. I'm excited for them to arrive. We're gonna have a nice day, spend quality time with each other, and just love on each other. And I'll take a snippet here and there and put it together for my vlog. Anyways, hope you're having an amazing day. I love you guys and see you in the next clip.
Almost there.
Oupa's making me a table for my birthday present. Oupa and Butaima. In Michael, is jy ook 'n appie?
Sorry?
Is jy ook 'n appie?
Ja, Michael is aan hier wat die steentjie lang is. Dit vroeg. My lyne is al lang.
It's gonna drizzle a bit now,
Ja, nou die mist.
which is good. Is this Kini?
No, it's for the car.
Can I have the Kini for the cake? Is it open? Oh, here they are. Here they are. It's cold. Where's your jacket? Hey?
Are you warm?
Did you bring him a jacket? Did you bring him a jacket? A long sleeve. Oh, laat ek dit hier niemand maakie.
Ja, sien. Sê ook van nou. Nou, sorry. We moeten het omdraaien. Die tafel.
I got a surprise for you. It's coming just now. Do you remember the first spirit? Do you want to see the first spirit? You got a big spirit at home. What is my name? What's inside that Martini got you? Looky, looky. A coloring book. Sit maar kijken.
Maar wat is de stoel?
You can if you want to.
It's a Paw Patrol.
It's a Paw Patrol coloring book. I only see now. Look there.
Now I'm chasing.
He's keeping his eyes closed, man, for the next surprise. Did you eat all sweets up? No, no, not all. Eh?
Dun, 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 dun.
Let me see. What was the surprise? Is it Paw Patrol, Kenny? Must we open for you? Okay. Hang on, hang on. What is that? You love it? Yes. What did you say now? Yeah.
What did? I like this one. I don't like moisture, only cheese.
Don't be nasty with Marshall, no?
You don't like Marshall, only Chase. Oh no, you must love them both.
I like moisture, cheese.
Hey,
And not those, only boys. But children, I did.
Let's go put your water, your own water bottles.
You can take it. Okay guys, remember the bananas I bought at the shop in my shopping vlog? The lekker fruit bananas. I made banana loaf. I used all of it. I just doubled the ingredients. And I'm using the bun pan and I added 2 tablespoons of cocoa to my mixture. And there's some left, so we're making some like in the muffin pan. And I'm just going to put over some chocolate drops. And that's what we did with the bananas. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so I put the chocolate drops or choc chips over, and this is what it looks like. So you can use this for your chocolate chip cookies. And it's a dark chocolate, so it's not overly sweet at all. It's perfect. Love it. And I buy mine at Woolworths. There it is. And here it is, out of the oven. These are already cooled off. Look at that. My favorite chicken. It's just salt and pepper, a little avocado oil, and I peeled a garlic clove and cut it in thin slivers, and then I put it under the skin. And that's my favorite way of having chicken. There it is. I love baking with a bun pan. I really, really do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put over cling wrap. So that's my tip when you do banana loaves or anything banana bread. Put some cling wrap over and let it sweat. Then you get a nice toffee crust. Okay. And I'll see you in the next. Okay guys. This is what I'm up to. I've made a chocolate cake without measuring again. I don't know how it's going to taste. I made some chocolate ganache. This is a tin of dessert cream. And in it I added some Lindt chocolate and some of the chocolate drops. Yeah, that too. Okay, take this away. And I used my bun pan. Oh, jene frikadel. That is Handmaid's Tale playing inside. Bit here on the loud side, but anyways. There we go. It's a bit pie. I'll just add some. Ooh. Still warm. Okay, June was making a lot of noise there on the TV. I had to pause it. What maak ek? And I just washed some strawberries. I think I'm gonna cut it up. Okay. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Ek weet myself nie wat ek gaan doen nie. I don't know what I must do. I know. I'm not good with decorating. It's like a bit soft, huh? rushing because it's almost load shedding.
And where did you watch that now?
Hmm? Yes,
So you're enjoying that?
I am enjoying the app. But on the side is not enough chocolate. Tikant. You see there? Here's the strawberries. Pour a little bit more. Might as well put all of it, all in the center. Because I don't know what else to do with the chocolate. I don't want to make more stuffs. Get die kraggie. There we go. So now make it a pudding. Sure, that's a lot. It's a lot. Might as well put this in there. Oh yeah. I don't know how to decorate it. Come on, quickly. I don't know what I did. Nope. I don't know what to do. I haven't got a clue. I don't know what to do. Boing, boing. So wiggle and a waggle and a wiggle and a gaggle. Walk on my paws like a dinosaur claw. You know, walk on my claws like a dinosaur paw. Boing, 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 boing. Ah-cha-cha-cha-cha. Am I gonna make it? Oh yeah. Looky, looky. What is this? Chocolate. And now look at all that chocolate. Hey, frikadel. Don't even ask me the recipe. I don't know what I did. Okay. Let me cut in a piece. Cut a piece. Oh, it's very soft. Let's see how that chocolate's gonna ooze out. Look at that. And there it is. See? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna let them taste. And this is what I'm up to on a Wednesday evening. Bye everyone, hope you all are well. Love you guys.